Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a movie day slash day out with my besties vlog. I am going to watch Ishq Vishk Rebound. I was always saying that Rohit Saraf movie till like 2 days ago, and then I was like, what's the exact name? And it's Ishq Vishk Rebound. So I'm going to watch it. It's a weekend and an off from work, so I'm going to watch it with Matangi. Mahika is going to join us later. I actually haven't got good reviews about the movie online. Everyone's like, okay, it's like 3 stars and everything, but my friend Durva Didi, she went yesterday or day before yesterday, and she's like, it's not a good movie at all. The words that she used were a little more specific, but let's not say that right here. But I'm wearing my black top, my classic black top, jeans, and I've just put a shirt on top because it can get really cold in the theatre. You're vlogging? Of course I'm vlogging. So Matangi is here, and look at her outfit. This is her movie fit.
This is Rashi movie fit.
Very
Full comfy fit.
This place has got some like Bridgerton tea. What's it called? Sorry, what?
Tea
Sorry. We are so before the movie starts, just looking for places that we can go to with Mahika maybe. And how excited are you for the movie?
Listen,
I'm more excited for the
I'm just
experience.
actually wanting to just chill.
हाँ,
And
not
it's
like
a very
movie.
chill movie. You don't have to give it much thought.
And also like the songs and all are nice, so we'll enjoy. So we've got our caramel and cheese popcorn mix, and Matangi is also taking some Insta stories, and our movie will start soon. So see y'all at the movies. Ranbir Kapoor says this, na? See y'all at the movies. My burger is here, the chicken and cheese burger. Matangi, you want to share? Pure vegetarian.
You think I can share?
It's paneer only.
Listen.
So it's the interval time, and how did you like the movie? How is it till now? No words? No words? She's like, it's
Funny.
funny.
It's cringe. Absolute cringe. Like you never do in your real life.
Matlab, I didn't hate it. It's not like I hated it. I can watch it. Matlab,
Listen, it's time pass.
it's watchable, but it's not like you can't watch
It
it.
is time pass.
You can watch, but it's not ekdam not watchable. It's
Yeah.
just kya chal raha hai types funny. Movie is over. Matangi will give honest review, no filter, honest review.
Okay, so Rohit Saraf was very nice.
Very cute.
Jibran Khan performed very well.
Acting was good. Pashmina, na, her name is.
Yeah,
She,
Pashmina
the Roshan,
She was
Hrithik
okay.
Roshan, she was okay. Mahika is calling us because now she has left from her house,
She was going to come here at 3. It's 3.
and she
she's not left.
told us I'll come at 3, and she has not even left. Wait, she's calling, and then we'll get back with the review.
I feel the movie
Tell what you told me in confidence.
was time pass.
She said it was stupid.
It was stupid. It was absolutely stupid.
The lady is looking at us like that.
You have to keep your brain outside
And
the
watch
theater
it.
and
Which
watch.
I did.
To be honest, if this happens in real life, it's sad.
Then
Like-
yeah. Like your friends would ask you not to do this in real life. So you can just go for time
But
pass.
Rohit Saraf was very
And now we are waiting for Mahika, who has just left from Andheri. He's asking us to go and drink. Drink what? Drink what? And there's nothing, like we are in Geo World Plaza, not even Geo World Regular, there's nothing to do.
brands like Burberry and all is there. So like, there's nothing to do.
Bro, let's go to Tiffany's and go. Just time pass ke liye. How does it matter? We are anyways killing time. Matlab, in waiting for Mahika, we have walked the entire mall. We can't.
See the same thing over
Again and again the same Gucci, Burberry, and we have spoken also about those brands in detail. Matlab, you know,
We're ready to go buy stuff.
you know how in Bolden people talk about anything that they can see in front of them. We have spoken, if we actually go and think, we have had the most stupid conversations, and after the movie that we have seen.
Our mind is gone.
Ishq pe ishq pyar. And Ladure is right here. So Mahika is like, have hot chocolate and sit for me. Wait for me. Arey yaar.
So we are at La Jewelry.
Finally, Matangi really wanted to come here, and she is
People, you've told me that the hot chocolate
is
very
to
good.
die for. And now still Mahika is not here. Can you see her? She is not here.
She told she's going to come at 3 and right
And now
the time
it's
is
3:44. Yeah. मतलब लेट लतीफ का भी ऊपर का. मतलब लेट लतीफ के भी ऊपर का. This is what I go through all the time, guys. And now this only waiting for I go through all the.
very early, guys.
We are quite particular. You are late, Latif. What is this full lavender?
Styling.
And why were you late? Why? And
So I'll
no, one
one
second.
second,
First of all,
hold
we
on.
told 3:30.
Yeah, and
She messaged.
3 o'clock to I'll reach around say I'll tell you everything. I was gonna have lunch with my parents and my cousin in Bandra. So I was like, around say 1 o'clock I'll reach her. I was gonna reach early Geo Plaza before 3. But I was like, let's write 3. But that plan got cancelled. Then we ordered food at home. The food came at 2 by 2:20. That I was done with food. 10 minutes I chit-chatted and 2:30 I started getting ready.
So you took half an hour to get ready?
No, 10 minutes I took break. 2:30 I started getting ready. Then chit-chat me I saw, oh shit, 2:58.
And I swear to God, 2:56 our movie was almost over.
And I thought your movie will be over by 3:15-ish something.
No. So Matangi is trying the hot chocolate for the first time. It's Mahika and my favorite. So yeah, mix it. Yeah, just mix it properly. Yes, it must. Chef Mahika, I remember Goa, how she was making the masala papad for us.
Guys, I'm making a fool of her. She was making a
So now we are at Capital Social and we've ordered some mojito for Matangi, and I think even in Goa we had in Southern Deck.
We always drink the same thing.
Why to try and then spoil your taste?
I want to try new things.
And what is her new thing? Nimbu pani.
There was nothing new.
Exactly.
Iced tea, I've never had fresh lime anywhere. Taste test?
Taste test. Chalo, let's do.
Let me drink that.
Are drink? She's drinking my drink. See?
It tastes
Master Chef, how is it?
like Nimbu pani.
Shut up.
Just take me back
To Goa.
to Goa, no, to the time where I was in school.
You don't want to go for work tomorrow?
Do I want to is the question.
That's what I'm asking. Do you want to?
I don't want to answer.
Okay.
I don't want to answer.
Not answering.
You don't have to say that.
You don't have to say that it's been 1 week. Now when you start working now we'll tell. 1 week only.
Not cribbing, now we are cribbing.
No, we are not cribbing.
I am
We
too
just
cribbing.
want a
I will not
vacation.
lie, I have cribbed.
We just want a vacation. Vacation for 6 months.
Asking from a vacation.
But I want to keep traveling.
Traveling, can that be your work? You just travel. They pay you.
They pay you to travel. That'll be so cool.
That is
Paris.
That'll be the best.
That'll be the
That
best.
is when I want
To
it.
pay, like to travel, but they pay you to travel.
That's what I said. And then they pay us.
That's the best life. So on one of my Goa videos, a guy commented today morning. You didn't understand the meaning of that comment. So he's like, take a shot every time she, matlab me, takes Matangi's name. So I guess in the vlog I was saying Matangi many times. And he's like, take a shot every time she takes. You've not seen the vlog?
I've not seen the comment.
Today you see, he just commented today morning
Which
only.
video? Part one?
The part 2. Because I didn't realize I was taking your name.
शिवा तो शिवा 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 क्या हुआ शिवा
I remembered. Shiva said that Shiva is
Obsessed with me, guys.
Bye.
He has, look at her. She's ready to
She's ready to leave. We were going to go.
to get into a train.
We were going to the ceiling, but then now we're not
There
going.
was traffic. Next time we go.
Next time,
Ceiling.
next vlog ceiling vlog and coastal road.
Actually, it's night time. We also go na some places.
Yeah, we will do everything. I think after Mahika start working na, plans are coming. Ki matlab plan ke baad plan we want to make.
We already want a holiday after 1 week of work. Let's see how it goes. Like, share, subscribe to
Everyone's channel.
channels. You are not subscribing. Why are you not subscribing? Subscribe now. Bye.